I'm Catherine Tart. I am a graduate from the UT Health Science Center nursing program, and a long time ago, 1987, and I have my master's degree. At that time, we had our master's degree in a specialty, so mine is medical surgical. And then I got a minor in administration and a minor in education because I just didn't know which one I wanted to do. So I did them both. And so actually that was a smart thing to do. I was a clinical nurse specialist, and once I got my master's degree, I was able to teach as well. So my husband and I moved from San Antonio, and I started my teaching career at a community college in Victoria, Texas. And then I moved and finished my doctorate at the University of Houston, and taught at Texas Women's University in the Texas Medical Center for a number of years, and then moved into the University of Houston system, where I'm now the founding dean for the University of Houston College of Nursing. And I'm also the Humana Endowed Dean's Chair for the College of Nursing. So it's been a wonderful experience for me as dean. I love the opportunity to interact with my students. I love the opportunity to interact with our community of interest, and making sure that we're educating the next generation of nurses. I think we've been in this nursing shortage period for a very long time. That's how I first started teaching, actually, because there was such a dire nursing shortage. But it is the truth that we don't have enough nurses, and so I feel very passionate about this work and always have. So I feel like I'm in a great space for it. And when I was a student here, there was a nursing shortage going on at that time as well, and our school really prepared us to be leaders, I believe, because the UT Health Science Center really saw that vision of making sure that they were educating that next generation of people for the future. Some fun facts. I was the only civilian in my classes. The rest of them were through the military. They were there because they were military people. So many of my classes, I was the only civilian. I was very fortunate. I got a nurse traineeship grant through the federal government, and I am now a big supporter of Title VIII funding, because that funding really helped me to be successful, to be a faculty member, and then ultimately a dean. So that support from the federal government was really critical to my success, and I was able to get that funding here at the University of Texas Health Science Center when I was a student. As a student here, I was very involved with my family life, and very involved with my student life. So I was able to meld the two together, which was great. Some of my faculty, I've got to remember Sue Ellen Reed. She was my advisor in the graduate program, and I would go into her office and just talk about the different things I needed to do to be successful, and what I needed to do to kind of move forward in my career. And even after I graduated, I would call her and ask her certain things about her opinion about what I should do as I was moving forward in my career, where I should go to doctoral programming and different things of that nature. And so I don't ever feel like that relationship ended as soon as I graduated. So, and I like that when our students call us back too and work with us.